Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video, I'd like to give you a quick tip of how you can inject a little bit of life into some close mic'd, or in this case, DI'd guitars. To demonstrate this tip, we are going to use a song for a project I'm involved with called Sonic Scandal, and we're going to take a listen to just the guitars here first. This is a 2-guitar part, and they're both double tracked. So let's listen to that first. Now what we have is that those are both really dry. So what I've done is I've added a room, and if you are a listener to the podcast, you know that I'm a big fan of the Lexicon 480, and that's what I'm using here, in this case through Verb Suite Classics. And I am using a room, small wooden room, but I've also changed some parameters here. This is not just the preset. I have adjusted the decay here to fall in essentially a quarter note of the tempo of the song, and I've also added a fair bit of pre-delay. Almost, it's at 83 milliseconds. So let's take a listen to what the same guitar part sounds like if I add that room. So I like the life that brings, but it's still a little bit too prominent for my taste, the reverb there. So now, of course, I can adjust the level of it. But another thing I'm a big fan of doing is adding an EQ to my reverb return here. So I'm using judicious amounts of EQ here. I'm cutting out a lot up to 134 on the low end, and on the highs I'm going as low as 3460. So if I engage the EQ, let's take a listen to what that sounds like on the same part. So that sits already a lot better, but the guitar's in solo here doesn't mean a whole lot. So let's listen to when I include the drums and some keyboards and bass here as well. There you go. Hopefully you found something helpful in there. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.